guys. You guys may remember this little area. We brought the 2022 BRZ here. I think it was like almost a year ago. But we're back. We're back with the STI. And look, we got a subscriber here too with the license plate. Literally twins. Damn, just like that, huh? Just like that. Alright guys, the headliner is completely out. You guys probably already know what's going on today. Damn, this thing is like, looks fully gutted. Alright, Antonio, what we got going on today?
Today, we're going to be wrapping this in suede to make it match the seats. It looks like Alcantara. Oh, this is not too bad.
Oh, so you gotta peel it off too?
I'm going to. Originally I wasn't, but this stuff is so easy to peel off. So this is like pretty clean.
Taking off the old material. Yeah, like I said, you're gonna be rewrapping this thing in suede. He told me it actually matches the seats in the STI, so it should be pretty sick. There's a whole row right here. Oh yeah. It literally looks almost identical. So this is what they're gonna be using to rewrap the headliner in the STI. Yeah, that's crazy. I didn't even know you could do that. I know, right? I thought it was all like one piece. Man, it is a hot one today. It's like over 100, I think, right now. As you guys saw, we made it over to Opeliteoptics. Now, I took the BRZ here, I want to say almost a year ago. I think it was earlier on this year, but we took it here, the 2022 BRZ. They took care of the Starlight headliner, and it looks amazing. So we just had to come back for the STI. It's gonna look so sick, especially with 4 doors. You know, it's a bigger body, so I'm excited to see what it looks like with the starlights. As you guys saw, they're super quick with it. Pretty much got the whole interior, almost removed all the panels and stuff to take the headliner off. And it's pretty much what you got to do to like take it out. You got to take off all the pillars, all the handles. There's like 4 of them, and then just a whole bunch of wiring too. So it's pretty quick. Honestly, it was like 5 minutes or less. Got the whole headliner off the car. So that took a while. Kind of had to take off all this old fabric. And right now they're laying, that's pretty much what it looks like without the fabric. It's just all naked, but they just gotta lay the new suede. Is it suede or Alcantara or same thing?
So
or?
Alcantara is suede.
Oh, okay.
But Alcantara is a name brand. It comes from Italy.
Oh, really?
It's also like 5 or 10 times more expensive.
Oh, okay.
Damn near the same though.
Yeah, that's gonna look sick. Some behind the scenes, chilling in the STI. Actually finishing up the video and putting all the details in for the Q&A that I did. I think it was the last video from the video you guys are watching right now. So it's kind of a behind the scenes of what goes on. Got to type in all the info for the video, thumbnail, etc. That's not the thumbnail, that's just like the automated one that they give me. But yeah, I'm doing this last minute in the STI. They're over there laying the new headliner, and yeah, just gonna get this done real quick. Alright guys, so now it is time to officially put literally every single strand of, they're called fibers, right? Fibers through the headliner. So that's pretty much what we're going to be doing right now. I'm actually going to help him out. I've always wanted to like kind of learn. So what is the kit, like what are you guys putting on the headliner right now? Like what kit? Because I know a lot of people are going to ask like.
So this one's 550 stars.
550?
Yeah, which works great for 4 doors or coupes.
Yeah.
I mean, big headliner, but it looks pretty damn spread out.
Yeah.
It was good.
And the BRZ was how many?
550.
Oh, it's 552?
Yeah.
Oh wow. So yeah, just gonna get started. and show you guys what it looks like after. Alright, just like that, it's going in. All the fibers through. Yeah, that looks crazy.
Make sure it clears that. There you go. So we don't scratch the panel.
Pretty much 550 times we poked through that.
550, yep.
That is crazy. You can see them all hanging still. So that's pretty much like the last step. You cut all those little hanging pieces out. So all 550, all comes down to right here. All starts off from here, all the way to the top, and then it just spreads out all throughout the headliner. What are you doing over there, bro?
Just cutting these optics.
So that's pretty much, how does it work? So it's pretty much you just cut it up against.
Just cut it, make sure they're flush.
Yeah.
To the touch, so they won't be like scratching or
yeah.
your finger or anything.
And the cool thing is you can't even feel them too. It's like perfectly smooth.
Oh, can I say
So
something?
dope. Yeah.
Chris is making us work on his car in 107-degree weather.
I was gonna mention. I was literally gonna mention, dude. It's like what
It's like 104.
almost 110 out here. No AC. These guys are freaking working hard, bro. So if you guys aren't already, dude, follow the guys over at Opeliteoptics, dude. They're freaking killing it. Like I said, no AC right now. It's super freaking hot out here. They have to run a wire from the source from all the lights down under the interior and connect it to the fuse. So when you turn the car on, these automatically turn on. Almost like a bag setup. Not as complicated, but yeah, he's connecting the fuse. What fuse do you connect it to?
I'm connecting it to the cigar or cigarette lighter.
Oh, cigarette lighter?
Yeah, we're using a 5-amp fuse, so that way it has low, like if anything pops, it'll be right away.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Ah, man, I thought I was gonna catch you lacking, bro.
What?
I was about to say,
gas?
if you had full tank, I was gonna say you're a fraud. Fraud.
Alright guys, just like that, we are done. He's actually gonna pull it into the garage right here so we can see it more. It's kind of hard to see out there. A little rusty. Yeah. Oh shoot. There you go. Boom, right through the front door.
I know, right?
Damn. Guys, check this out. I think 550 is plenty,
It's
dude.
perfect, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good. It was really
It's
good.
not a lot and it's not like too little, if that makes sense.
No, definitely.
It's perfect.
I know it's so hard.
So we did do the 550 as well as the shooting stars if you guys missed it. I don't know if you guys can see on camera. Every now and then it does shoot some stars. And can you change the color? You can change the color of shooting stars, right?
No, that was just white.
Oh, it's just white, okay.
That looks sick.
It's just a vibe, dude, especially with the dark windows at night. It's gonna be such a vibe. Damn, it's hot in here. Jeez. I started sweating in like 30 seconds. Alright, as you guys saw, the guys over at Opeliteoptics just finished it up on the STI. Looks so freaking good. So if you guys are curious on, you know, kits for your car, you know, the pricing and all that stuff, I'll go ahead and send it over to Antonio right here. Pretty much the owner of Opeliteoptics right here. So if anybody wants a kit for their car, how does it work? You know, like different kits, etc., you name it.
So we have different kits, different styles. We offer shooting stars. We also do headliner upholstery. We can also do front, middle, rear pillars to suede. Just shoot us a DM at Opeliteoptics on Instagram, and then we'll get back to you guys as soon as we can. But it's pretty simple. You know, you book your slot with us, and then we take care of it same day turnaround.
Same day. So you guys did this one like 4 hours?
4 hours, yeah.
Upholstery, whole kit, everything, disassembly, reassemble. It's pretty good. I think they did the beer Z in what, like three, something like that?
Yeah.
So they're super quick with it, guys, and you guys saw it. This thing looks freaking amazing. As always, literally the only people I trust doing this. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and put their Instagram right here. Shoot them a message if you guys want a kit for your car, and show them some love.
Yeah,
these guys killed it in like 100-degree weather, so
appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it.
yeah, you guys killed it this time. Appreciate it, man. Alright guys, we made it back home, and I feel like I have to mention this because I feel like I don't talk about this car much, and also I feel like it's not in my videos often. For the 2022 BRZ, I mentioned this in one video before, but this car is gonna go through a lot of changes, a lot of them. I'm probably gonna make a video dedicated to this, but this car is actually going to SEMA. For all you guys still watching the video, it's kind of like a little sneak peek. This car is going to SEMA. It's gonna be wide body, and this thing is gonna look completely different. We're doing a full makeover. I'm not gonna reveal all the details because I am gonna make a video dedicated to that specifically, but this car is gonna be fully transformed for SEMA. SEMA is October 31st, so we got literally less than 2 months. It's just gonna look insane. That's just my little sneak peek for you guys. But anyways, as you guys saw, we did the Starlight headliner from Opeliteoptics on the WRX STI. And I just want to show you guys the BRZ as well, because I do have it in this car as well from them. I'm gonna make this quick because it's super hot in my garage. But since you guys obviously saw the STI already, I want to show you guys their work on the BRZ as well, because it's super sick. This car is much smaller, so the headliner is much smaller obviously, but just to see their work, like this looks so good, guys. I mentioned it too earlier, but we have the same exact kit and amount of stars in the BRZ as we do to the STI. So this one has 550 stars with the shooting stars as well. We can go ahead and wait on it. I think it's gonna happen any second now, the shooting stars. There you go. So the same exact thing. I feel like it's perfect. It's not too many stars and it's not too little. But yeah, you guys know the deal. If you guys watch the video, you can change the color obviously. So we got like blue. Dude, the shooting stars are so sick. Got red. I honestly like white. White is like, you know, the good old classic look. And honestly, the teal one is sick too, like that teal blue. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this one as well, just for reference, what it looks like in a coupe. And then also you guys saw with the 4-door STI. This one, they didn't suede the headliner. This is actually factory, but like factory already comes with this nice material. But the STI is more of like a harder, I don't know what you call it, but the suede is just much better on the STI. But yeah, if you guys want this in your car, be sure to hit up Opeliteoptics. Honestly, they're the only ones that I trust doing headliner stuff. They do it like literally same day turnaround. You guys saw, like 3 to 4 hours depending on your car. The quality work, like you can't even feel anything, and it's just so cool. It's just a vibe, especially at nighttime. I'm super hyped. Content is starting to pick up. For a long time before I got the STI, content was very slow. I mentioned it before. It was because this car is so new, the BRZ I'm speaking on, that, you know, we did everything to it. There was nothing much we could really do at the time. It was like 2 to 3 months. Now, coming up to SEMA, we have a lot of stuff coming up for this car, but it was just like a big time period where nothing was happening. Yeah, that was just, you know, the content was slow, but it's starting to pick up now, guys. We have the STI and we have a whole bunch of stuff kind of happening all at once. So I just want to update you guys, tell you guys, you know, we got stuff on the way. If content has been slow, that's pretty much why. But regardless, you know, I appreciate you guys for still watching the videos. I love you guys so much. I feel like I don't tell you guys enough, but I just appreciate all the love, support you guys have been showing on the channel. I feel like you guys hear this a lot from like the other YouTubers you watch, you know, like we always mention, oh, thank you. But no, honestly, for real, like, thank you guys so much, you know, guys, for watching the videos, buying the merch, you know, supporting what I do, supporting what I believe in. Bro, it means so much. It's so awesome. Literally, as I'm filming this, I lowered the STI 2 days ago, so I'm kind of behind on editing and stuff. But outside, the STI is slammed. I cannot wait to show you guys. And we also got more mods. We got exhaust coming and also wheels. A lot of stuff to look forward to. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well to see the new mods and pretty much what's to come in these next few months. I feel like it's gonna be really stressful, but it's gonna be well worth it. I'm super excited. I'm sweating. Time to get out of here. But thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the headliner. I gotta get going on editing these videos. I'm so behind, I feel like. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for everything, seriously. And I will catch you in the next one. Peace.